Good afternoon, class. I hope you all are fit and fine. Class, today we are going to study in our English worksheet, page number 49. Okay. I hope you have done your homework, holiday homework, which I have given you. Okay, so today we are going to start our classwork in our English worksheet, page number 49. Now take out this page of your English worksheet. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to write B. We have to complete the pattern. Okay, first of all, okay, I'm going to show you how we are going to make it. First of all, we will make a standing line from, okay, see, you can see the standing line from here to here, like this. Okay, this is standing line. After that, we will make a curve from here to here. Okay, then again we will start it from here and join here. Okay, first what we will do, we will make a standing line, then we will make a curve. After that, once again we will make another curve. Now our B is completed. Okay, just like that, standing line, one curve, second curve, B is completed. Okay, just like this you have to complete, write it from here to here. Let me show you how you are going to write on the empty box. You will make a standing line. Okay, then put your pencil at the top of this standing line, then make a curve from here to here. Okay, and then once again make another curve like this. This is B. We have to write it like this, from here to here. Okay, now pick out the candies with letter B on them. You may color the candies blue. Okay, so we have to pick out the candies and color the candies which have letter B in it. Okay, chalo, we have to color it with a blue color because it's mentioned here. Okay, start coloring. Here B is written now. Okay, so we will color the candy in blue. Okay, just like this. Now this, yes, like this. Once again here also B is written, so we will color it with the blue color. B, B, here also B, okay, okay. Now see here D is written. Now here D is written, here C is written, so we are not going to color it. Okay, we have to color the candies with blue, only those candies which have letter B in it. Okay, which have letter B. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 50. Okay, in this we have to say the name of each picture and color the picture whose name begins with letter B. Okay, so start. B for bag. Okay, bag, B-A-G, bag. Bag starts with the letter B. So we will color the bag. Okay, color it. You can choose any color, whichever color you want, beta. You can color it with that. Okay, because here color is not mentioned that you have to do it. Okay, just like this, color bag, because bag starts with the B alphabet. Okay, after that, what is here? Pencil. Pencil starts with P ना बेटा, pencils. P for pencil. B नहीं start हो रहा ना, तो हम इसको color नहीं करेंगे. We are not going to color it. Okay. After that, brinjal. Okay. What is here? Brinjal. So we will color the brinjal. Okay. We are going to color the brinjal. Brinjal starts with the letter B. B for brinjal. Start coloring. Yes, color it like this. Color the whole with. Okay. Okay, just like this you have to do it. Wait. Okay, after that what comes? Kite. Kite, it starts with the K na, K for kite. B for kite नहीं होता है ना, K for kite होता है. So we will not color the kite. After that, book. Book starts with the letter B. So we will color the book. Okay. So we will color the book. Okay. Take red color. Color the book. Because B for book. Just like this you have to do it. Okay, now next is balloon. Okay, so B for balloon. B for balloon na beta, so we will color the balloon. Okay, now take any color. I'm going to color it with yellow. Okay, B for balloon. Balloon, it starts with the letter B. Okay, color it properly beta. Next is butterfly. Okay, so we will B for butterfly na, B for butterfly, so we will color the butterfly. Okay, color it. Start coloring. You can take any color you want. Okay. Okay, just like this you have to color it. Okay, we have to color those picture which starts with the letter B. Okay, now come to page number 51. Okay, I'm going to give you today's homework. Those are today's classwork, and now I'm going to give you today's homework. Page number 51 and page number 52 is your today's homework. In this you have to complete the pattern of letter P. Which letter is this beta? P. P for parrot, P for pigeon. Okay, P for peacock. So this we have to complete it. We have to make a standing line, and then we have to make a curve. In B we make a two curve na beta, from here to here, then again we make another curve. But in P we only have to make one curve. Okay, so we have to make a standing line and then only one curve. Okay, I have taught you how to write B, so I hope you can write the letter P very easily. Okay, you have to make only one standing line, and after that you have to make only one curve. Okay, like this. This is your letter P. Okay, this you have to do it, and you have to, after that you have to color the Mr. Piggy. You have to color the Mr. Piggy. P for piggy na, so you have to color it. Okay, and in this you have to say the name of each picture and color the picture whose name begins with the letter P. You have to color only those picture whose begin with the letter P, like P for penguin, P for pin, P for pumpkin, and P for peacock. Okay, you have to color these pictures. Okay beta, you can choose any color you want. Now this is your today's homework. Goodbye, take care, have a nice day. We will meet in our next class. Bye.